Let us compare NPN and PNP transistors. In PNP NPN transistor, the current is flowing from collector to emitter. That's why the arrow is pointing outward direction. But in PNP transistor, the current is flowing from emitter to collector. The arrow indicates the currents flowing from emitter terminal to collector terminal. So that is a representation. So how can we remember the arrow direction? So NPN means never point in. So that's why it is pointing out. PNP means you can easily remember that word, point in permanently. So that's why it is pointing in. So in this way you can easily remember the arrow direction of the NPN and PNP transistor. The second difference is that, so here in NPN transistor there are two N layers, in between there is a P layer, but in PNP there are two P layers, in between there is a N layer. The third thing is the biasing technique. In biasing technique, if it is an NPN transistor, the collector is connected to positive voltage so that the current is flowing from collector to emitter. If it is an PNP transistor, the emitter is connected to positive voltage, or the positive voltage is connected with the emitter terminal so that the current is flowing from emitter to collector. And one more difference is that here we are applying positive base current, here we are applying negative base current. So positive voltage is required at base to turn on the NPN transistor. Here negative voltage is needed at base to turn on the PNP transistor. So look at the circuit. If it is a NPN transistor, when you close the switch 1, what will happen? This positive terminal will be connected to base. So positive voltage is needed to base to turn on the NPN transistor. If it is a PNP transistor, when you close the switch 1, this negative terminal is connected to base. So there will be a sinking current. So it is one of the application of transistor, that is automatic street light control. So during night time there is no sunlight, so this LDR, the resistance of the LDR is very high, that is infinity. So LDR is an open circuit. So IB equal to 0 microampere. So if it is an open circuit, then there won't be no current flow to the base terminal. So this transistor act as an off switch. If IB equal to 0, please remember the output characteristics of a transistor. When IB equal to 0, the transistor will be in cutoff region. So it will be in off state. So there won't be no current flow through this coil. So this NC will become NC. So this light will glow because the phase neutral is connected to your street lamp. So the relay is off. So this switch will be remain in the same position. The street light is on. During daytime what will happen? The light is present. When the light falls on the LDR, what will happen? The resistance of the LDR will become reduced. If the resistance will become reduced means there will be a flow of current through this LDR. So IB equal to 100 microampere. When you apply a high base current, this transistor will become on switch so that it allows the current through it. So the current is flowing from collector to emitter, and this relay will become on. So once the relay will become on, what will happen? So here you have to change it to on. So now the relay will become on. So this will become switched from NC to NO. So the light will become off. Again I am playing this video. So once the relay, please change the word, it is on, relay on. When the relay is on, this switch will be transferred to NO position. So there won't be no current flow to the light. Your street light will be turned off. So this is one of the application of transistor. So here transistor is acting as a switch. So if the light is present, the LDR resistance will become low. So there will be a current flow through the base, say 100 microampere. If 100 microampere flows through the base, the transistor will act as an on switch. So it allows the current. When the current flows through the relay coil, the relay will become on. So here you have to change. Then the switch will be transferred to NO. Automatically the street light will become off. So that's all about the transistor. Next class we will discuss about LEDs and LCDs. Thank you.